please type in the group chat ready. Our extraordinary leader and mentor, a true inspired relationship manager with HSBC Premier, using his expertise in the financial market. He's a triple diamond at SIP International, a testament to his exceptional leadership, a dedication and impact within the community. One of the pioneers of SIP International, paving the way for innovation and success in the organizations. He's also a dynamic speaker at 10 Audio Smart Academy, sharing his knowledge and empowering countless individuals to reach their potential. So guys, are you excited? If yes, let's welcome Mr. Febriansa Avaru to do the presentation. So please give Mr. Febriansa a big round of applause, please. Welcome,
Thank
Mr.
you, Ms.
Febriansa.
Kelly. Thank you, Bu Kelly. Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Hope you guys doing
Hello.
great. Hope you all in the pink of health.
Yes.
Yeah, nice to meet you all in via Zoom today, via online. So hopefully one day we can meet personally. Okay, let me introduce myself. But before that, let me kiss my shirt first. Okay, X. Okay, X. Yeah. Before this, I was not a big fan of Manchester City. But since yesterday, we understand about the collaboration already. Okay, the collaboration means when OKX give everything, we must give everything. So I need to change every my everyday shirt now become OKX. Yeah, go traveling everywhere with OKX. Yeah, I'm also not a big fan of Mac. I'm a big fan of Max Verstappen, my son. Yeah, the other day I went to Singapore so to watch the Formula One, but since yesterday I think I'm gonna change my son's interest to McLaren. Yeah, to to Norris and Piastri. Yeah. So I think yesterday was a great presentation by OKX. Yeah, we believe that this collaboration can bring us even to the higher level. So, but for more details, I can invite you all to attend the Bali sharing together with all your leader who attend to the Bali event. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. Yeah, today, thank you for the session, Smart Academy, for trusting me to bring this second session. I'm not a witch doctor. I'm not trying to predict the market. But tonight's session, maybe I would like to share with you all about the correlation that we can actually, the basic understanding and mindset on the crypto market itself, and then how it can relate to our platform, which is Moonbot. So we have a better idea, we have a better mindset, clarity about how we can really maximize our mindset of using Moonbot. Okay, maybe I can start my presentation. Uh, Miss Lucia, thank you. Okay, next. So this is the event that I can promote to you all, that the New Year and Gathering Bali event sharing on a Saturday, 17 January 2026. Hope you guys can meet together, yeah, having a gathering together and get some update with all your leaders who come over to Bali for the 3 days event yesterday. Okay, also for the Grand Table Talk on the 16th with Miss Lucia. I think Miss Lucia will share a lot of things with you all back in Singapore. Okay, next. Okay, also I would like to invite you all. Yeah, I want to meet you guys personally also. Yeah, and maybe some of you here I haven't meet you guys personally, but let me invite you all. Let's have a coffee talk. Yeah, have a tea talk. Yeah, have a brainstorm about how's your journey in Moonbot, and maybe I can help to do something. Maybe we can have a deep talk and uh, also help you to do the presentation during the Moonbot Roadshow on the 4th until 7th of February 2026. See you guys. Okay, next. Okay, I will start my sharing with this short funny video who is created by someone. I don't know who is this guy, but this video is so related to our situation right now. I mean, this video is so related to the influencer nowadays. Okay, maybe we can have a look with this video first. We can play this video. Please have a look, guys.
Oh, apologize. Let me just download it again. Just give me a second. Okay. Are you ready, guys? This is something excited, so give me a moment, yeah? Okay. So
Atau aku
let's
putar
do
Lucia?
that. Yeah, just a moment ya, Pak ya. That's a bit of the, okay.
Or
1
I just
second,
share
I'll
my
play
slide?
right now. I can do that, Pak. Let me just try it one more time. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna have a problem, Pak. Maybe you can play that.
Okay,
Yeah, my
I
version
can
here doesn't
continue.
seem to
It's
play with
okay.
well. Thank you, Mr. Feb.
Okay, here we go.
Pelajaran pertama dalam Bitcoin.
Sorry, Pak Feb, we couldn't hear the
There's
sound.
no sound. Yes.
Okay, wait. Is the sound clear now?
Bitcoin bakal all time high lagi. Lihat ya. Lihat. Bitcoin bakal all time high. Set. Wah, tenang. Ini masih koreksi sehat. Ini itu namanya cuma liquidity sweep ya. Nggak akan. Bitcoin nggak akan turun ya. Nggak akan tembus 100.000. Tuh kan naik. Apa saya bilang naik? Set. Ya nggak masalah sih, namanya juga untuk testing support ya. Di sini ada dimensi kuat. Tuh kan, sudah saya ungkapkan. Naik, ini akan mencetak all time high baru ya. Ini adalah double bottom. Ingat apa? Double bottom. Dalam market sector ini double bottom ya. Dia ini sekarang sudah di 115. Akan all time high ya. Kita akan lihat 150.000. Bukan 200. 150. Nah ya, pegang omongan saya. Bukan sudah saya bilang nih ya. Set. Nggak apa-apa, ini masih koreksi sehat. Buy the dip, kalian harus beli Bitcoin di 110 ya. Buy the dip, strap. Nggak apa-apa, koreksi sehat. Strap, no, kan? Naik, tenang, buy the dip. Ya, 105, nggak ada masalah. 105 nggak ada. Strap. Ini belum bear market ya guys ya. Ini belum tembus EMA 50, EMA 200, EMA 1000. Belum bear market. Ini masih koreksi cuma agak sedikit nggak sehat ya. Kita analisa ulang di sini akan mantul. Walaupun nggak all time high, ini akan mantul ya. Seenggaknya kembali ke 120 ribuan ya. Kalian harus beli. Straight. Oh ini dimension ya. Dimension di 90. Tenang, ini bakal mantul ya. Ini akan melihat adanya rebound untuk Bitcoin ya. Kita akan lihat rebound di masa depan. Misalnya naik nih. Tuh kan, ini masih nggak apa-apa ini masih bisa naik ini. Ini cuma koreksi sedikit sakit lah. Seret. Oh ini setengah koreksi nggak sadar ini. Ya, kita lihat Bitcoin 87. Waduh, ini agak bahaya ya guys ya. Tapi kita masih ada masa depan ini. Hold jangka panjang. Kalau kalian mau kaya, hold 5 tahun. 5 tahun kalian bakal lihat Bitcoin 200.000 ya. Kalian harus hold beli di sini. Ya, ini murah 90.000. Kalian nggak akan pernah lihat Bitcoin 90.000 lagi. Seret. Ini guys, kayaknya ini ada yang salah ya sama Bitcoin ya. Sebenarnya Bitcoin ini scam ya. Ya sedikit sekarat, ini koreksi sekarat ya. Ini di 77, tapi nggak apa-apa. Ini ada dimension ya. Dimension naik, set. Oh kan, sudah saya ungkapkan. Set. Waduh, scam ini Bitcoin. Tembus 75, scam ini. Oke guys, ini kita sudah tembus ke 72.000 ya. Ini tanggal 1 Januari 2026. Tembus 72.000 ya. Ini berarti bear market ya guys ya. Jadi dengan ini saya menyatakan bahwa ini adalah bear market ya guys ya.
Wow, so good yeah, the video yeah. Yeah, this guy is so nice yeah. Every time the market goes up, he will say bull market yeah. Every time the price goes down, steady, keep calm yeah. This is what happen nowadays yeah. When we all wake up in the morning, we scroll our social media. There are so many negative and positive information about Bitcoin. So I think the best thing is don't time the market, don't predict. Yeah, we must prepare what will happen. Yeah, and then prepare how if it is bullish and how if it is bearish. As in with the different version of this video with the Moonbot self-talk. Yeah, this kind of self-talk. I'm going to share with you what we are experiencing this cycle for the past 3 years and 8 months before. Just now I want to ralat apa Bu Rusia?
Correct, Pak.
Correct. I want to correct Miss Lucia's statement about we started in the bear market. Actually, we started in the bull market back then in April 2022 when the Moonbot launched. We actually started in the BTC price in 47K. And then when we start in the first week, it start drop, yeah, drop until 15,000. So actually, we we not only start from the bottom price, we experience how the Bitcoin dropped down from 47K until 15K, and it's so suck it, yeah, so hurt, yeah, so hurt. We got floating for like 8 9 months because back then there are no education about money management. We haven't found out that strategy yet. Yeah, we haven't got the grouping coin yet. Yeah, we haven't got the idea of how to use Moonbot correctly. Yeah, we all always aim the high gain, high profit back then. So we all got floating a deep float back then. Yeah, so we are not starting only from the bottom price and then starting to grow. We actually started from the 50,000 BTC price drop first, and then we learn something from there. So this is the Mooners version of the self-talk from this video. Next. Okay, this is what will happen maybe in your organization. But before this, yeah, I will assume that I know we all gathered here. Not everyone is a builder. I mean, not everyone is really running the business. Maybe some of you here just decide to use the product. It's okay. But I assume that we all here also want to build the business. So I will share with you this kind of self-talk first because it will happen. Okay, so the first case, yeah, when the Bitcoin price started to bullish, I mean started to bounce to 200K. Yeah, this kind of statement will come out in your organization. Maybe your upline, maybe your Norty upline, yeah, maybe your Ichihan upline, yeah. They all will claim their diamond hand. Yeah, the first statement they will mention is why you buy with the why you buy with a small amount of buy amount. You should put bigger. Yeah, just go big lah. You know, when you put bigger buy amount, then you can earn big profits. And somehow, why your coins only 5? So lame. Yeah, I think I suggest you to put 20 coins. All those frog coin, doggy coin, yeah, catty coin, all those with the animal symbol one, you should buy. Yeah, this statement will come out suddenly. Yeah, when the price goes up. Okay, and then the second statement is told you, right? Yeah, why don't you just follow me? Yeah, no need to follow those money management thing. They all play safe. You know, they all leaders. They follow the company point of view. So it's okay for them to play safe, but not for us. Yeah, this kind of statement will definitely come out. Okay, and then the statement also come out is the crypto price will keep bullish after this. No bearish, only bullish. Okay, look, see how many USDT left in your Binance or OKX account. There are so many idle USDT. It's not fully used by Moonbot. Yeah, just follow my setting lah. This kind of statement will come out when the market is fully green or BTC price goes up to 200K. Okay, and then the second case is when the price start to drop like yesterday to 90K. Okay, the statement is still safe lah because maybe most of you here using the 35 steps, yeah, everything still under control, and then the profit maybe still smooth because the idle money still can be used for the averaging, yeah, and then still super motivated to do the presentation, to introduce someone, refer someone to use Moonbot, okay, and the statement is Moonbot is amazing, help me to follow the market, just ride on the market, you see my portfolio, yeah, this thing will happen because yeah, still running, still under control, and still under your 35 steps of money management, your setting, okay? But this is the thing that happened when the Bitcoin price start to drop to 80K. Normally, this kind of self-talk will come out, okay? They start to float, yeah, the floating loss, yeah, will start to grow, yeah. The floating has started already, starting no profit already, less profit we can say because the volume is too small. Keep going down, but no sell. Only buy, 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 only. Boring market, right? For 7 days, only buy, buy, buy. Sell one time, buy 7 times. Sell 2 times, buy 10 times. Yeah, that times happen. Okay. Why Moonbot? Why is my Moonbot not moving for 3 months? Something like that. Yeah. Maybe got two types of person in this case when BTC price dropped to 80K. The first person maybe who are blaming. The second one maybe those who can start to admit their fault. Yeah, yes, it's my fault. Yeah, it's because my hand is so itchy. Yeah, yesterday I put more on my coins. I reset my buy amount. I reset my coin. Yeah, maybe some of them have can admit that, but some are not. Okay, I want to do the top up, yeah, to buy more in the dip, to can so I can allow my moonbot to do the averaging, but I have no funds already. This is what will happen, okay? And then the third statement is, yeah, the third situation is still inviting people, yeah, while hoping that the portfolio returns back to 125K. Yeah, hopefully that the Bitcoin price goes up. Okay, this will happen. How if the Bitcoin price start to drop to 60K and 70K? Okay, this is even worse. Yeah, and then the statement is why floating so much? Where is my profit? Okay, I've been using Moonbot like 1 year. Yeah, my startup capital is 10,000 USDT. And the recap from the Moonbots platform is I got this $2,000 profit. So it should be 12,000, right? Why my money now left 8,000? Okay, where is my profit? Yeah, they forgot that the coin itself is drop is floating down. Yeah, the price go down. So the capital itself also drag down. Okay, they're still attending the meetings. Sometimes they're still showing up to the table talk, to the gathering. Yeah, yeah, still invite occasionally, but the energy only left 50%. Yeah, because the understanding is not he's not fully understand about the crypto and the moonbot setting yet. Okay, and the case when the Bitcoin price start to drop to 40 to 50K. Okay, this is what will happen. Why we can say this kind of statement? Because we have experienced this in 2022. Most of our first new those who believe in us in the first months, first year, this kind of thing happened to them because then they didn't have the idea of how to have a clear mindset of using Moonbot. Okay, so the case when the Bitcoin price start to drop to 40 and 50K, they will wait and see. All our team back then in 2002, they wait and see. They don't want to run the business. They don't want to comment anything. Just wait. They just wait for one thing. Yeah, they start to play victim. Yeah, I regret to join Moonbot. Yeah, this is my biggest mistake in 2025. Yeah, to sign up 1,007 USDT and then to join this kind of platform, and now I start to lose money. Actually, it's not losing money. They are not patient enough. Okay, so they stop presenting, they stop refer someone or introduce this good platform to anyone. They start to lose confidence in Moonbot. Okay, this will happen. Okay, how if the yeah, we are not hoping for this price, but just prepare. Okay, just prepare. If Bitcoin price start to drop to 20 to 30K, they will become a Negatron. Okay, not Megatron, but Negatron. The devil mode start to come already. They will say Bitcoin is a scam. Like the previous video we watched just now. Yeah, Bitcoin just a scam. Moonbot is a scam. Okay, and then Moonbot activities completely disappeared. Yeah, memory loss. Even forgot their ID already. Maybe maybe someone asked him to log in. Also, he don't know what is his username and password. Yeah, this happened for like 1 year back then, starting in November 2020, starting in May, June until early 2023. 8, 9 months. silent. Nobody from the beginning of like 1,000 first sign up person in Indonesia back then 2022 suddenly gone. Only left like 10 to 20% only figure out how can we go out from this kind of situation. So this is a situation that we all need to understand that it might happen. So we need to prepare. Okay. So the next one is I want to show you. I only share the top 5 coin. Okay, this is the candle, the price, the price for the BTC. As you can see from this slide, from the date that this slide is made is 87,000, yeah, almost 88,000. But now it's 91 to 92,000 US dollar. So as you can see here, maybe, yeah, Bitcoin can go to 120, maybe. But we can see now from the market, from the QE, even the big news, the Fed cut rate doesn't really affect the market. So we can assume we have prepared that how if market go down. So if it goes down, yeah, we have to prepare our mental and our setting, our money management, maybe to 50K. When the Bitcoin drop, as historical data, it never goes down. I mean, go even lower than the previous bottom. As you can see here, from 2017, yeah, the bullish in 2018 until when back then in 2018 the price is 20,000. When it drops to 7,000 something, yeah, and then during the COVID, the BTC price reached the first 69,000. When come to bearish, it only dropped to 15,000 back then. It never come back to the 7,000 anymore. So as the historical data presented here, we believe that as low as it can go to maybe 40, 50K. Maybe a lot of factors also. Yeah, maybe now there is an institution money also coming in. So we believe. So we must prepare. Okay. The second coin is Ethereum. As you can see, this is a chart of the Ethereum. Okay. The Ethereum price maybe can go up to 4,000 something. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, but yeah, it's good when it can goes up. But how if Ethereum price goes down? Yeah, we have to prepare. Maybe Ethereum price can drop until 1,005 again, back to the previous month price, 1,005. Maybe it can happen. So we have to prepare our money management. Is our setting now already accommodate Ethereum until that kind of price? Back to your setting again. That's why we suggest to use at least at 50 step. Your capital can occupy until 50 step of your buy amount. Okay. Next, this is the BNB price. Okay. When the slide is made is around 894, but now is in, what is the price of BNB now? BNB now is $905, 900. So we should prepare. Maybe BNB can drop until around 300. Yeah, 300, 400. We have to prepare. How if didn't reach that price, Mr. Fabian? Yeah, it's good for us, but we have to prepare if that thing happen. Okay, so don't blame the market. So we just prepare when the price goes down. How bottom can we prepare? Okay, BNB maybe can drop until 300-400. Okay, are your setting now already can accommodate your capital until that price? Yeah, back to your you can consult back to your mentor to do a research on your setting again in Moonbot. Okay, so this is the next one, XRP. And then the Solana also, we must prepare the price. Maybe the Solana price we can prepare, maybe the price can drop to 80, 60, we never know. Just prepare. Okay, don't talk about the bullish part. We just prepare how is my setting. Can my capital survive? I mean, can still do the trade averaging when Solana price drop to $80 or not? So this is the prevention that we can make. Okay. So the next one is I'm not going to say this is the bearish season. I'm going to share with you. I rather choose the word correction season. Okay, we must have the correct mindset about this correction season. Yeah, when it comes to correction season, our profit will definitely become not that big as a bullish season. Yeah, but we believe this normal profit season, we must have this statement, this mindset, which is hold equal to gold, right? Rather than you play futures and lose your money. Yeah, I rather have a floating minus portfolio rather than margin call or get liquidated, right? This is the first thing that we have to be grateful first. Okay, the second one is during the correction season, there will be a lot of bad, believe me. Yeah, I think some of you here already follow Bitcoin for a few cycles already. You know, understand already. Back then in 2018, what happened? Yeah, back then in 2021, what happened? The FTX and all that. Before FTX 2018, China banned Bitcoin. That is the previous cycle from the FTX one. But we never know. Maybe for next year, when it really comes to the correction season or bear market, maybe there are a lot of bad news are coming also. Okay. Also, there are many meme coins disappear. Yeah, maybe some exchange also got scammed. Maybe scam means yeah they are not strong enough to play the market. Yeah, maybe they are losing money, so they close down and all that. Many cases will appear during the bear market. Okay, and somehow in Mooners situation, many people somehow lose confidence. Yeah, but in our point of view back then in 2022, yeah, when many people lose confidence in crypto, because in the first session just now we already learned from Miss Lucia one thing that before using Moonbot it's just a platform. The first important part is our belief system first. Yeah. Are we really believe in crypto or Bitcoin? That is the first basic principle or basic belief system that we have to have first. When we have that belief system, when we have the correct belief system about Bitcoin already, then we can use Moonbot conveniently. Sorry, ada bocor ya?
Can continue, Pak Pep, please.
Okay. Okay. So I think Miss Lucia presenting this now is about the belief system. I think it's important for all of us, yeah, because I don't know, are you really already trust Bitcoin? I assume that we all here already got so much knowledge. I mean, so much information about Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin will hit $1 million, but when I don't know. Maybe another 4 cycle. Some say another 2 cycle. I might say another 4 cycle because it's getting heavy and heavier, right? Every 1 cycle. Not that we cannot get that times 8, times 10 so fast. Yeah, I believe it needs around 3 to 4 cycles to reach that 1 million price. So, but in that situation during the bear market, means our Moonbot's competitors decrease. This is an opportunity for us. Okay, this is our mindset back then in 2022. Why it keeps us strong. Okay, and then many people will wait for all of you to give up. See, the price goes down already. See, your portfolio getting red. See, this is what happened. Our mood will really got damaged by all those words. It will happen. But if we don't understand the correct mindset, that's why today's session I'm going to share with you what makes us rise up. What makes us back then, even our portfolio is floating like so deep, like 60% for like 9 months without profit. What makes you guys can build such a big user now? Okay, this is the secret. Okay, after this I will share to you. Okay, so how to navigate my Moonbot? What what we can suggest is use the money management 50 step to 70 step. Okay, use 50 to 70 step. Okay, use on buy only 5 big cap coin, which is 5 king in the grouping coin. Settle your buy amount. Okay, remember, prepare your capital power. I'm going to show you this Excel. Maybe after this session, you also can uh, uh, request this Excel from your mentor. Okay, we already make this Excel actually only for 5 coins. Okay, this is Excel according to the default system for the formula in the Moonbot system, the default one. Okay, the price here we already input. The first step here we already input like the highest all-time high they achieved before. So as you can see, this is the very easy navigator here. So when someone sign up, okay, maybe you can adjust your own also. Okay, when someone join back then in when Bitcoin price is in the 126K, this will happen to him. So maybe now currently the price is in the 92 91K. Maybe his step is 28 step. Okay, because this is a mathematic Excel according to the formula in Moonbot. Okay, so this is very useful. So you can calculate how much until how what price that my capital actually can survive. Okay, how deep can my capital can actually buy. Okay, this is the Excel. Okay, so for the Ethereum itself, yeah, I set here for the all-time high is almost 5K back then. Okay, when someone signed up back then in the 5,000 or 4,956 price Ethereum, yeah, maybe he is now in the something somewhere somewhere now Ethereum price is in 3,100. So somewhere 38 step, something like that. Okay. So when someone sign up, you can use this Excel to just input your amount, and the whole thing will change because this is already the Excel that already got the Formula One. Okay. So you can use this Excel to do a simple money management calculation with your own team later after this. So I will share this Excel to you so uh, you can calculate your buy amount after this. Okay, this is a money management Excel, so you can calculate what price are you in, and then how deep can your bullet or USDT can last until how many steps, something like that. Okay, so you can ask from Miss Lucia after this. So that's how to navigate to prevent for the money management. Okay, next. So the ultimate mindset of using Moonbot is the consistent profit. So I think you guys already heard this so many times. Yeah, the consistent profits over times are far more valuable than one-time big shot or big gain. Correct or not? Are you agree? If you agree, then we are on the same page because we are in this gang. Yeah, we are in this kind of mindset. If we are not in this kind of mindset, we feel so hard to build Moonbot. Trust me, because what we need just one big one shot, one time hit and run. We cannot do that in Moonbot. Okay, so the ultimate mindset is consistent profit over time. Okay, so good profits come from the amount of capital invested and the coins you choose, and also plus the money management that you already set. What we suggest is at least 50 steps. Okay, good profits do not come from constantly changing your Moonbot setting. This is our principle of using Moonbot. Okay, even though you have the
Recording in
building
progress.
users, because every one of us have different risk profile. Maybe here we got Mr. Anton Long. Anton Long is a professional trader, let's say. Okay, but maybe you are. Okay, you're a professional trader. You can adjust so many things in the Moonbot setting formula. Yeah, we are salute for that. But doesn't mean I need to follow. And let's say I join with you today. I sign up with you. My risk profile is really, I'm a conservative guy. I never invest in crypto. I just expect like 10, 15 ROI, 15% per year. But 20 for me is really huge already. So when you meet someone like this, so conservative, I think you don't need to you don't need to teach him about how to do this setting, to change this, how to analyze this, because Moonbot is designed for people like me. I don't know anything. I just want to put my money in my own exchange. I use this platform to generate 20, 30% per year. So it's okay if you can do it by your own for your account. When it comes for building teams, we are not, we definitely not suggesting that you can force people to follow your setting. Because why? We don't know the future. We cannot predict the market. When our setting is, when it comes to wrong setting, when the market drop, I think those people who ask their team to follow their setting will run away. And then who the team will go to? To the upline. Those people will definitely run away. Normally. Back then in Indonesia, this happened. Those itchy hand upline set their team to follow their setting, and then once the bearish come, the market drop, they run away, and then all the dirty plates we need to wash. Yeah, we wash everything. We got the caci maki lah. We got all the blame. Yeah, something like that. So to prevent this, yeah, just have this kind of mindset. Yeah, we just need good profits come from the amount of capital we invest and coins we choose, and with the correct money management. Okay, so when Bitcoin goes up, happy. When the Bitcoins goes down, even happier. If both conditions make you happy, it means you understand Bitcoin, correct or not? So what we need, we just ride on the cycle. Okay, so our plan in 2026. So this is the secret. This is the secret that we have that mindset before in 2022 that makes us survive until now. If not, we are not, we will not have today's meeting. Even, no Moonbot, no OKX, no this shit, no everything. The company's down already, because of this kind of mindset. In the bear market, I mean in the plan, in the correction season, we call it as a plan years. We need to plan. When we ask a farmer after they harvest, what will they do? They plan again. So the correct mindset of facing the winter or correction season is, this is the plan years. We need to plan as many as we can. Even though the capital of people who trust us back then is not so big. Back then only 1,000, try only lah. Back then even people put 3,000, we call them investor already in Indonesia. Big fish. Because it's not normal to see one person to put 3,000 back then in 2022. Most of them $500. They sign up the small packets and then just use Moonbot for like the capital start up with 500, 700, normally 1K. So people start up with 3K. It's really amazing for us. Okay, so we must understand this plan years is a period that most people avoid, but we must understand that Moonbot have the benefit, got the two sources of income. So we know, we understand, we realize that the profit will not get that high for us. I mean, our money get floated already back then. But we can survive by building the business system in order to get the income. So what we focus for the business first, to get the income first. And then the second one we focus is, what happened to us doesn't mean happen to them. Because my price is at 47K. My friends tomorrow sign up is at Bitcoin 18K. So they maybe can get profit. Maybe my floating haven't done yet. Maybe haven't sell everything, haven't sold out yet. But maybe they can get daily profit. Situation doesn't mean happen to tomorrow's people sign up. Correct or not? So this is the correct mindset. So when you got floated, I mean you got floating, doesn't mean your friend also got floating like you because you sign up in a different time frame. We got a different price, different situation. So this is when Moonbot start to raise back then, because we start to have a new user from one hand to another hand. One person got their smile. We are still sad, yeah, we are still crying, but their smile makes us strong back then, because our portfolio still compete, yeah. They all happy. They are happy makes us grow, something like that. So this is the correct mindset. So we also believe that I believe we all also hope for Bitcoin price don't raise up too fast. Correct or not? Up until now, we also hope that don't raise up so fast first. Why? Because our team haven't reached 1 million users. We hope one day when we can reach 1 million users, then the market go down, and then 1 million users start to do the money management, start to grow, and then the price goes up again. All people harvest together, then there is a freedom project over there. There's a really big leverage in that kind of situation. So we must understand when the price goes down, it's good for us because our team haven't that big yet, haven't grown that big yet. So I need to grow my team's users as big as we can in during the plan years. So during the harvest year, maybe we can say 1 year before halving, the next cycle is 2027, 2028, 2029. We can harvest for 3 years. But the sad part, the hard work part is in the 2026, in the plan years. Okay, so the lower the price goes, the more advantage for those who join later, like what I mentioned before, just now. Okay, so the long accumulation will happen. What we can do during the plan years is gather 1,000 users so we can gain big cashback rewards during the harvest year. Okay, this is the correct mindset that I want to share with you. This is the mindset that makes us can stand still until now. So hopefully you guys get the point. Okay, so even the Buffett got the principle: time in the market beats timing the market. Okay, spending time in the market is more powerful than trying to predict the perfect timing. Okay, Warren Buffett is not wealthy because he can predict the market fluctuation. Buffett focuses on choosing strong assets and allowing them to grow over time. The keyword is grow over time, need times. Okay, instead of wasting energy trying to predict the perfect moment in the market. So this is the principle of Buffett, Warren Buffett. So what will happen when we do it right during the plan years 2026? This definitely will happen because we experience this, even though it's not that big yet. Yeah, it's not a freedom yet, but we want to revenge in this during these next plan years. We want to do a big revenge. We don't want to miss it again. Even though now we already receiving like okay, it's an okay amount for us to live without any new member anymore. Even from the trading itself, we can live already, but we want to revenge in 2026 to bring more people to gain more profit together, and then we can harvest together in 2029. So during these harvest years, trust me, friends, those who didn't join earlier will eventually give in, will find you. Why? Because this business is unique. It's not like direct selling product based, like people will get bored. Your brand, like over time, 5 years later, it will get bored and people will get like so boring already with your brand. No, our business is different. Our business is like wine. The longer the period, the 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 more the proof, the testimony, the bigger the effect. Can you imagine when Moonbot already can pass like 3 cycle of winter and summer? You can bearish, bullish. We pass it once already. We want to repeat it in this twice. How if we manage to grow again 2029 with all this kind of preparation? I believe 2030 they all will trust. The level of trust with Moonbot is definitely different. They will find you. They will sign up automatically with you because we've been through together. When they say bearish, Allah, what is bearish? We've been through there twice already. Something like that. You understand? So this is what we need to do a preparation together. Okay. So your daily cashback start grow hundreds, even thousands of dollar. This is what will happen when you plan during the plan years. This is what will you harvest. Okay, more and more proof from Moonbot. Yeah, impressing people with the strategy, and I believe Mr. Michael will keep improving the platform. Yeah, according to what happened in the next, according to the technology. Yeah, and then the whirlpool awaits you. As you know, I don't know you all already understand about the marketing plan or not, but let me introduce you with this whirlpool bonus. It's a freedom bonus. I can say it's a freedom bonus. Why freedom? What happened we did in Indonesia? Okay, let's say now majority of us stay in Indonesia and building Moonbot here. Okay, once you reach diamond, Mr. Waynan, Mr. Henry, Mr. Alvin, let's say you are building in Singapore. Let's say the biggest amount is Indonesia. Do you know once you hit diamond rank, every subscription happen for Moonbot in that particular month, you get the dividend. You can get the percentage. Without 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 looking at which country are you in. No, the whole cake is together. This is a really, really freedom bonus in the diamond rank. So when you reach diamond level, the whole world is yours. Not only before we reach diamond, we can only get the fast start bonus from the referral bonus. Yeah, we can get the development bonus from my team. Okay, but without this whirlpool, once you reach diamond, the whole world is yours. So it's a really worth uh, journey, worth rank to chase, my friends. So how to get that bonus? Only 600 pro left, 600 pro right, accumulated. Remember, accumulated, not reset in a month. I think it's a very, very, it's not an impossible project. It's not an impossible target. Only 600 pro pack on your left business, left side, left organization, and then 600 on your right organization team. With the power of teamwork, I believe this amount is achievable. Okay, so what happened during the harvest years? Okay, your portfolio definitely can grow up like 200%. Yeah, because waiting for like 2-3 years already, ma. So your 10,000 start to getting fat, lah, become 20 something K, 30K. Okay, this portfolio will makes people getting more and more trust to Moonbot. Okay, so you can easily build. So this happened because we've been through. In 2023, year of hope. Yeah, we start to get a little bonus. First timer people start to the pioneer people start to believe us. 2024 we start to have this kind of trip, right? Taiwan trip, the Thailand trip. People start to look at us. What we just need to do is the beginning part. It's hard in the beginning, but easy at the end. This business is unique. It's really need the hard work and mentality in the beginning only. But the rest testimonial spread over. Many people talk. how we can go through the bearish market and all that, suddenly you will feel the business is become easier and easier. That will happen. Okay. So next, now this is my last part. Okay. The changing of the cycle of crypto. The good news is, yeah, we got two situations that might happen. The I'm now the previous is actually expected will repeat the cycle. Okay, we must prepare how if it goes down. Okay, so the first now I mentioned my presentation is all about how if the market repeat itself. I mean repeat the cycle. So the second one, I also want to share with you how if the market doesn't repeat itself, keep slowly going up, go down a bit, going up, go down a bit, going up. It's even better also for us. But I hope the market follow, repeat the cycle, because back again the mindset, our team haven't that huge yet. We want to grow 1 million users yet, then go up to 1 million Bitcoin price. Then we can get the freedom. If the price keep going up, we cannot get anything. The portfolio cannot be leveraged because we use Moonbot in order to leverage our capital to infinity. We all have cold money to the limited amount of money, but use this business platform to build users. We can reach that level. We can leverage our trading volume until infinity. That's the beauty of Moonbot. Correct or not? So if we just use Moonbot for trading for ourselves, we got only limited capital, cold money, but we can build the business to grow the infinity trading potential from unlimited USDT that you can even you can grow, yeah, something like that. So the changing cycle of crypto. Okay, you all, I believe you all already see this in your presentation slide. Okay, but predicted cycle maybe can switch to the logic and more disciplined cycle. Why? Because now the first factor is nowadays it is different already. Back then in the bull run in 2021, 2022, sorry, there are no institution money yet. Yeah, there's no ETF approved yet. But now it's different. Why different? Back then, retail, a lot of retail play Bitcoin. So retail like a small ship. Yeah, when it's come to FOMO, fear of missing out, when someone go up, everyone buy, 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 so easily go up. When people start to sell, give some fear, they will sell, 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 sell easily. But what we see now, institution money is not that easy. It's a big ship. It's a giant tank ship. So I believe giant tank ship do not have the behavior like a retail. They really have the analysis before they do the analysis. They have this trading plan. They will not follow the news. Maybe they create the news, perhaps. Yeah. So I think the era is different. Maybe can switch a little bit. The behavior of the cycle is can be switched a little bit because of this factor. Okay. The second one is the global regulation. As we can see also from Miss Lucia just now present, yeah, we all believe that so much country already start to regulate the crypto, means regulation brings more money in. When money in, when more money comes in, it might change the rhythm of the crypto price. Yeah, the rhythm. So many people will in the next I think in this 4 years until the next halving, I think the price gonna make people chaos ya. Bingung tak apa Bu?
Confused.
Confused. Yeah, I think the market will make the retail so confused. Yeah, sometimes go up, sometimes go down. This news happen, this news comes in, this news have this positive news suddenly come out. Yeah, I think the next 4 years are very very confused. So I believe Moonbot is one of the best situation. What we need to jaga only the money management. We need to take care only how much capital I have. I divided by 50 to 70, set up into 5 points, big cap point, 5 kings. and then let it run right on the market. Leave it and build the business, something like that. Third factor, I think the crypto can switch because of the derivative market, futures market. And we all know that
Somehow shut down. Let's just give a few moments for him to come back. All right. Everybody can hear me clearly. I'm afraid that's the signal from the hotel. Are you able to hear me clearly, friends?
Yes, can.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank
But I
you.
still saw Mr. Febrenza there.
All right.
I
Okay.
just joined. I just rejoined.
Yep.
Oh,
What happened?
yeah,
Am
it's
I
nice.
sign out?
Your
So
internet
can you hear
connection
my?
was cut off. We can hear
Yes.
you, Mr. Feb, but we couldn't see
Okay,
your
all
face.
good now. How about my slide?
We are not able to see your slide yet. Would you like me to play that for you, Pak Feb? Oh, but we couldn't see your face, by the way.
Mm.
I think the
Yeah.
internet suddenly goes. Wait,
Yes,
wait,
because
wait.
we are in the same hotel, Pak. I'm afraid my internet connections was down, but actually everyone can hear our voice, except that we can't see your face, Mr. Feb.
How about my slide? Can you see my
Uh,
slide
Not yet. Okay, now
now?
it's
Oh,
starting.
kita
Now
share.
it's
Starting
starting.
share.
Okay. Okay, let me continue this a few last part from my presentation tonight. So back then, the futures player or in the derivative market is not as many as now. Yeah, because so easily can predict the market. As what we can see now, the pie chart from the pie chart, we can see the derivative player, yeah, can play a big role in the market. Almost 75% of them. So when they play long, yeah, the big fund will push the price goes down again to liquidate their money. Correct or not? So it's really confusing because it's not the price is actually the market is actually positive. It's really the signal is ready to go up because the QE is there, the cut rate is there, red cut is there, yeah, the money is there in the market, but somehow so many people put long in the futures market. So can you imagine? So when many retail put long or buy in the market, so I think the big fish don't allow them to win, right? So they dump again the price to liquidate their money. So this is what happened in the past like 7, 8 months to 1 year in this 2025. So many liquidation happen. Yeah, as what you can see. So many people commit suicide like last month. When people play futures, they lose money even in the same day. I think during October back then, yeah, most of the mooners gain money because the money the market goes down and then suddenly goes bounce back again. So I think Moonbot is a better idea because we believe. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of futures market, derivative market, but some of my friends play futures. Yeah, they gain a lot of money, but in the end they lose money. So what's the point? They ever show to me how big is their win? Yeah, they show me how many milliard they win overnight. But in the end, I don't care about the process. In the end, last week I asked them, "How's your trading?" I lose money, my friend. So what's the point? Correct or not? So in the end, if we can win million, yeah, but we can go on like billion also. So what's the point? So I believe we can just place even safer in the spot market by using Moonbot. Okay, so derivative market also influence the rhythm of the market. Okay, so in order to prevent or not prevent to do we expect this will happen, so company also Moonbot also prepare new features for all of us here, which just launched yesterday. It's a Moonbot Logic. I believe some of you already got the information from the chat or from a call from your mentor who is coming to Bali. But let me share with you. This is the welcome to the new features. Moonbot present the Moon Logic. Okay, give applause to Moonbot Logic. Okay, so what is this? Actually, it's the same like trailing profit. Yeah, it's additional features. If trailing profit is something that company make in order we can maximize during the bullish. Okay, so we can sell on top. So this is the vice the kebalik ya. Ya. Balik
Reverse.
apa Bu?
The reverse, Pak.
The reverse. So how if the market really goes down? So company already make this new features called Moonbot Logic. Okay, it is located in your trade and then formula you can activate uh, in that setting. Okay, how it works? Okay, how is the how's the Moonbot Logic works? Okay, this is not the normal setting. I believe most of you here already understand. When the price goes down 1%, buy. Drop 1.2%, buy. 1.2% buy. This is the default, right, in the ultimate mode. Okay, every drop 1%, buy. Okay, now we expect if the correction season is coming, the company, Mr. Michael, also don't want your bullet get wasted on top, so you cannot trade during the bottom, correct or not? So everything suck inside already. So during the lower price, you have no funds already. Maybe something like that. So the company make this Moonbot Logic. How it works? Okay, how it works? Let me explain to you. This is Moon Logic. Okay, Moon Logic got have separated all the averaging step become block. They call it a block. Okay, so step 0 from initial buy until step 15, it's normal. Just follow the formula, default system, like normal. Okay, if you are using ultimate mode, means your drop rate, just follow that drop rate. From initial buy until 15. We call it block number 1. Okay, and then when the step 15 have been reached by Moonbot, I mean the averaging step already done until 15 step, then the Moon Logic will automatically stop the averaging first. The Moon Logic will help you to redo the technical analysis. Okay, as you can see just now, there is an technical analysis also provided. There is a default technical analysis set up by Moonbot, and also you can change to your own preference technical analysis with the operator and or. But we suggest when the winter, I mean the correction season is coming, we suggest don't use or. The operator better use and. So both technical analysis confirm first, then you can continue to your another block. You get what I mean? Because I believe most of us here have the habits of uh, choosing the operator to change the operator from and to or, right? Because we want to enter the market as soon as possible. Even most of us here force buy. Yeah, when I start use Moonbot, I just start force buy, so I can start to trade straightforward. I don't want to wait, something like that. So this habit we cannot use in Moon Logic because this is the prevention. This is our defense system in order our bullet can be used wisely in the bottom price later on. So 1 to 15, stop first, technical analysis on, and then the logic start to read the market again. When it confirms, can buy again. Maybe down here, maybe skip first because the technical analysis didn't match up yet, and then start from The 16th step will be Moonbot will only buy when the technical analysis already done. The entry is confirmed with that two technical analysis, then Moonbot start to buy again, the step number 16. So 0 to 15 is first block. 16 to 30 is block number 2. After that, every 10 step, after that, the block is every 10 step until 100. You get what I mean? So only the first two block got 15 step. 0 to 15, 16 to 30. After 30, the block runs according to every 10 step. So 31 to 40. 41 to 50, something like that. Until 100. That's how Moonbot logic works. Okay, so I think it's a great prevention. I think it's a great features for all of us, yeah, to prevent the correction season. So our bullet can be used wisely from Moonbot. Okay, so our goals is go for 10x, guys. When we are doing, when we do it right, yeah, we can go for 10x in the plant year, in the harvest years. So can you imagine when the Bitcoin price start to grow to 1 million? I don't know when, maybe another 10 years, 12 years, but I believe this price will definitely can be reached one day. Yeah, 1 million USDT per Bitcoin. This is 10x from now current price. Okay. Even the CZ also predict, yeah, Bitcoin will flip gold. Yeah, I don't know exactly when. Yeah, might take some time, but it will happen. Save the tweet. He said like that in the Twitter. Okay. So how about our business? This I want to share. Yeah, a little bonus. Yeah, little bonus. What will happen? Not that big, but enough only from the trading side. Because in Indonesia, we got this separated platform. In the business platform, we got this rupiah bonuses. Yeah, in your platform, all become one. All become one together with the affiliate system and then with the trading cashback, all merge become one. So this only from the cashback from the trading team. No active bonus here. So we only share the previous month, 8 months, this August, during August, yeah, we can get like 15 additional one account. If you have several account, means you can adjust. That's why your mentor ever said, if you want to build a several account, you can build a few line. Yeah, you can gain more cashback from a few account later on. Okay, so 15,000. We believe one day, yeah, it can be 10 times bigger. Why? The network, I mean, the affiliate program can be up and down according to how many people actually refer Moonbot to someone. How many person is actually active doing the presentation. That is the action, the active income. But from the passive income, we believe it's like a snowball, because 2023 members still do the trade. Correct. 2024 members still do the trade. 2025 members still trade with Moonbot. An upcoming member will trade with Moonbot. This is a snowball effect. So what we build now is actually really like a really big bang, big hedge fund program. But I believe it's not easy in the first year, but it's really going to be worthy in the end. So our goals is to time 10x. Okay. So how? The plan is only increase your organization 4% per month. Okay. Just increase your number of users during the plan years. What I mean is our plan years is next year's. Hopefully the market repeat the cycle. So we will work like horse. Yeah, we will go deep. We will go back to ground. We will really, yeah, we don't do a rash. We just want to start strong in 2026 for the whole year. We want to plant so many users, give more education, give more clear mindset about how to use Moonbot in order to get this times 10x. Okay, so how to grow? for the next 5 years. So we just need to add 4% per month. Increase 4% productivity, increase 4% of numbers of members growing in your team. Okay. And I believe the capital will follow. Remember, 2026, maybe people will not put their money in. I mean, not that all in. They will not put a big money. It's normal because the market maybe got a little bit bad news, like what I mentioned just now. Yeah, maybe they will try 5K. The most they will put 10K. Yeah, luckily we can get a clear mindset Bitcoin investor. They know about crypto cycle. They will put 100K. But if we only can get 5K, 10K, it's okay. Just accept them. Give them an education because it is a plan years. We need to build the users first. We need to step a step backward for 2 steps first in order to jump more step ahead. Okay, so in order to give this for the plan years, Mr. Michael also give us a great trip next year, yeah, in 2026. The date have not been set yet because during the April and May there is a big auto show in Beijing. Yeah, it will announce soon. Yeah, to be announced. So the fixed date will be announced very soon after the date already settled by the tour and travel. Okay, so maybe we can watch the video first. So hopefully global Mooners, we all here 184% can go together. We can meet each other there with the all Mooners. Mr. Michael target book like 500 seats to go this 500 people packs 500 packs for this Beijing trip, guys. It's so amazing. I think it's really going to be a great trip. Okay, maybe we can watch the video first from this Beijing. So please enjoy the video.
Sorry, Mr. Feb, there's no sound. Maybe you can repeat again, please. Pak Feb, sorry, no sound, Pak Feb.
Sorry, no sound?
Yes, Pak.
Okay, wait, yeah. Wait. Hold on, wait. Okay, how about now?
没有人可以去等待，不知不觉的放开你，我们都没你那勇气在意。I'm sorry, I'm so lonely.
Wow, go Beijing 2026 with 500 Mooners together. Are you ready, guys? Yeah, well, I hope that 79 of us here can achieve and go together and meet all the Mooners, gold achiever there. So in order to boost the numbers of people to the Beijing, it's Mr. Michael is so good, you know. He's so good. He know that December, yeah. He know that the features is coming in. We just finished our event in Bali, so Mr. Michael give us booster. Yeah, they give us a short period of promo. Yeah, just 1 month promo. What we call is the Mother's Day promo from Moonbot. So this is how the promo promo works, yeah. 7 December until 7 of January 2026. Whoever got the new sponsor, okay, or upgrade 5 Pro will get one free ticket. Even though the BV haven't reached the gold yet, but this person is eligible for the Beijing trip. It's amazing, right? Can you imagine? 5 Pro, you already got the commission, goes into your wallet, okay? And company give you extra 5 tickets some more, okay? Mr. Fab, how if my team sign up, sign up advance last week and then he upgrade to Pro? It doesn't count, okay? It only count those who sign up since 7th of December. The sign up before 7th of December doesn't count. Okay, so whoever sign up people start from 7th of December until 7th of January, 5 Pro got free 1 ticket, 10 Pro 2 tickets, 15 Pro 3 tickets, 20 Pro 4 tickets, and valid for every subsequent multiple of 5. Okay, so enjoy your promo for for this December, for this Mother's Day promo. We go Beijing together. Get your free ticket for your family, yeah, for your son, for your daughter, for your wife, for your husband. Yeah, let's go for the Beijing trip. Let's go. Let's have a massive Beijing trip 2026. We are so ready, Indonesia. We all here are so ready for this December promo. We want to maximize it. So that's why Miss Lucia and all your mentor asked us to deliver today's session with you all. So you have time to do the preparation, not until the December finish, then you want to chase in last minute. I think it's a little bit too late. Yeah, I mean a bit less time to chase. So the time is now 7th of December until 7th of January 2026. So enjoy your promo. Okay. So how to the game plan of the Beijing. Okay. How to maximize this promo. Okay, for those who haven't, who just signed up for the past 2 months, I mean, you are eligible for the Need for Speed Countdown NOS Gold, yeah, Need for Speed Gold, yeah. You only need 5 Pro on your left, 5 Pro pack on your right. You are eligible to become a gold already. That's what we call a NOS Gold, a Need for Speed Gold. Okay, but how if I already signed up more than 2 months? I mean, it's already like 2 months. I mean, I'm not eligible for the NOS anymore. Yeah, you need 7 Pro on your left, 7 Pro on your right to eligible for the Gold Achiever. So your focus is just sign up 2 Pro on your left, 2 Pro on your right as soon as possible, and help them to become bronze. And definitely you will grow your team to become 6 Pro left, 6 Pro right. And congratulations, you are a NOS Gold or you are a gold. Okay, so this business is easy. You don't focus on you don't eat the BV by yourself. Don't only think about your own BV. Start small. Just start small. Just focus who is the new Pro pack, new users, 2 on your left, 2 on your right. And then just help them to do the 2+1, or help them also to get the users. Help them, accompany them. Okay, everyone needs a companion in the beginning. So just help them, accompany them in the starting point, in the beginning. So when they can become bronze, you are definitely become gold. So this is the game plan for the Beijing promo. So after this, you can consult with your mentor to do a planning, okay, table talk, okay. And January, you also have the grand table talk with Miss Lucia and all the mentors together. And then you all also can come to the New Year gathering and Bali event sharing. This is very important, guys. I think the best thing is to start strong January with the positive community, yeah, with the positive insight. I think it's important. January, every year, January is very important for me. The January month is very important for all of us because that month is when we can start strong in January, it can lead us to where we will end in December. So I will invite you all to come for the New Year gathering with all the positive mentors, positive community who already attend Bali event, and share with them and build the plan, set the plan so we can meet together with the massive Beijing trip 2026 in May. Okay, so see you on February 4 to 7. So I can help you guys to do a brainstorm. We can do a grand table talk. We can share a lot of things. See you on the 4th until 7th of February. Okay. So next event, and last but not least, I want to promote. Okay. Still hot, yeah. This is just we just finished the 3 package of event, and then I want to promote again for our next event. This is our culture. In our company, we believe that the first class company come from first class of management. It's all about preparation. We believe Smart Academy is not just a business school. Yeah, plenty of plans already planned until year end. Even got the Moon Awards in the year end of 2026. Even Mr. Michael already start to talk with the OKX about that Moon Awards. Can you imagine that? We haven't finished 2025. Mr. Michael already discussed with OKX about how about how about year end big event. Can we collaborate something? Can you imagine that? So I would like to invite all of you to come for the bronze meeting in 2026, and then the gold gathering, eligible for gold above in the gold gathering awakening, and then for our smart seminar with the title of Unshakable in 2026, probably around April or May. Okay, to be announced the date. We still wait for the Beijing trip confirmation yet from the tour and travel. Then we can fix the date. Okay, I think that's all for my sharing today. I'm sorry, I'm not that good in English, but I try my best to deliver what's in my head. Okay, thank you for everything. See you guys on February.